Hello, my dears. Here's Sally, and welcome to our meditation. Today it's with the new moon. It's all about inviting new, refreshing energies and allowing what is there already in you to really see it and bring it to flow with ease. Are you ready? Make it comfortable. And rub directly your hands. Increase the heat between your palms. And when it's hot enough, really listen inside when you put your hands on your ears. Increase the heat again. Rub your palms together and place them this time on your closed eyes. Look in front in the black of your closed eyes and look inside. What can you see? Take another deep breath here. And with the exhale, rub your palms again on each other. And this time, find the spot on your body where you need more awareness right now. Maybe there's discomfort or pain. Just put the heat and love of your hands there. Feel into it. Give the love to the place where you need it. And then rub your hands again on each other. Increase the heat and place them on your heart. Take a deep inhale here. Arrive in your heart space. As the exhale, allow to feel your heartbeat. How is the rhythm right now? You can leave your hands here or relax them on your knees, palms facing up to receive, or palms facing down to stay more centered inside. Your spine is long and elongated, your shoulders relaxed, and allow inside to flow. How? With your breath. Let it flow. It's like a river. A river of air. It's coming into your body, into every cell. And it's also leaving you again. Everything is in the flow. No attachment. Just breathe in and out. Everything is as long there as you need it to be. Everything flows inside, outside. Just allow it to happen and give it a color. To really imagine like there is this river. The air is like full of color when you breathe it in and when you breathe it out. Where's the color taking you? and follow it into your whole body, into your being. And while you're following the flow inside, you allow it to happen. Is there something where you feel a blockage? It's like a stone, it's like something what is in the way and it doesn't let you flow. It can be a pain point, it can be an emotion, it can be just a thought or something else. Feel it and then let it flow in and out like the wind. It's coming in and out. Be in your own flow. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Feel the rhythm of your heart. Surrender in the now. Everything is meant to be. Get aware of it. Let it flow with ease. And when there's everything flowing inside of you, take your awareness to the beginning of the meditation and feel, is there a difference how you feel right now? Just get aware of it. Take another deep inhale and a long exhale. Feel free to open your eyes again. Welcome back. And have a beautiful day. Flow through it with ease. Let the wind take you. Let the water take you. Serve you to the next spot. Namaste.